So today's recipe is the Nigerian beans and corn porridge. Pour the sweet corn into a bowl, add a little water, strain in a sieve and set aside. To cut down cooking time, soak the beans in cold water for 3 hours. Rinse it off and strain in a sieve. Now place the beans into a pot, pour enough water to cover the beans and leave to cook until the beans is very soft. Add the onions and the sweet corn. Then add the pepper, ground crayfish, stock cube and salt to taste. Mix well and leave to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the palm oil or red stew oil. Mix well, cover and leave to simmer for 8 more minutes. And here you have it, a delicious healthy meal for the family. Enjoy! Thanks for watching and many thanks for the thumb up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.